Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making a new Capcut project and importing your photos now. Don't overthink formats. Place images in order on the timeline, then set the canvas ratio, 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Reels. Once done, tap Settings and choose 24 or 30 FPS and 1080p export to balance quality and file size. You should also import any music or voiceover now, because syncing comes next. This first step keeps your workflow fast and consistent. Now you control pacing. Trim each photo to 1-3 seconds depending on tempo, and lengthen important shots for emphasis. Use transitions sparingly, dissolve or slide between similar scenes, and place them on beats of the music to create rhythm. For dynamic movement, add keyframe motion or the built-in Ken Burns effect to pan and zoom subtly. This prevents jump cuts and keeps viewers engaged. Also make selective use of overlays and opacity to layer textures or text without cluttering the frame. Finish by balancing color and audio. Apply basic exposure and white balance fixes, then tweak saturation and contrast for consistency. Once you have visual harmony, mix audio, duck the music when narration plays, and normalize to a safe peak around -6 dB to avoid clipping. Review the timeline at full speed, then export at 1080p, 30 FPS using H.264. If you see compression artifacts, reduce the bitrate slightly or export at a higher bitrate and try again. This troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.